Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson of speaking. The topic is birds. It's very useful topic for your test. So let's start. Do you like birds? Yes, I like birds because they are amazing and wonderful creations of God on the earth. Peacock, sparrow, pigeon and colorful bats are my favorite birds. I also bird chirping especially in the morning. The second one, have you seen many kinds of birds? The answer is I visited a UFI years ago where I saw a lot of birds. I also often watch bird sanctuaries programs on TV. Next one, do Indian people like to raise pet birds? The answer is yes, people love birds in my country. They keep sparrow, parrots, pigeon as pets. The fourth one, what is the message conveyed by the birds? The answer is birds convey some big messages to us as we should live with happiness, unity, and peacefully. After these, all birds are symbol of freedom. The next one, have you ever raised a pet bird? No, I have never keep a pet. I think I don't know how to raise a pet bird properly. In addition, being a student, I really can't spend too much time with birds. The last one, is it important to protect birds? The answer is definitely yes, they are an important part of our ecosystem. Birds are the cheapest gift on the earth. The governments and people must protect birds.